When we look up at the night sky, we're gazing into a vast cosmic ocean. But how big is the universe really? To answer that question, we need to take a journey from the familiar to the unimaginable. Let's start with something we know, our home planet, Earth. Earth has a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers. That's tiny compared to our Sun, which could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. But even our Sun is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy. Our solar system spans about 287 billion kilometers across. That's so big that light, which travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, takes over 8 minutes just to get from the Sun to us. Yet the solar system is a mere speck compared to our galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is enormous. It's about 100,000 light years across. This means light, the fastest thing in the universe, would take 100,000 years to travel from one end of the Milky Way to the other. And within this vast expanse, there are an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. But the Milky Way is just one galaxy in a vast cosmic web. The observable universe contains at least 2 trillion galaxies, each with billions or even trillions of stars. The scale is mind-boggling. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter. This is the part of the universe we can see, limited by the speed of light and the age of the universe, which is roughly 13.8 billion years. But beyond what we can see, the universe could be infinitely larger. Scientists believe that shortly after the Big Bang, the universe underwent a period of rapid expansion known as cosmic inflation. This means the actual size of the universe could be trillions of times larger than the observable part. As we try to comprehend the scale of the universe, it's easy to feel small. But remember, we're part of this incredible cosmos. Each of us is made of stardust, created in the hearts of stars that lived and died billions of years ago. The universe is vast, mysterious, and beautiful, and though we may never fully grasp its size, the journey of discovery is what makes it so extraordinary.